join me. Let's do some art. So today I want to make a page for my art journal. I like these sturdy chipboard pages, and for starters I will add some texture. I have this really stiff ribbon type piece of linen. I'll try to fray the edges just a bit and glue it down with my gel medium to indicate a line for my focal points. I often start my journal pages with either a horizontal or vertical line of sorts, just to give me a bit of an orientation where I might want to put anything else I will be adding. And next I use my texture paste and a simple stencil just to bring some interest into the background. I have not done anything for my journals in a while, but today I felt like just playing with colors and different mediums and textures, and I really hope that you will enjoy the process. Now from here on I will start putting all my mediums or any tools I may be using in the captions for you, and I will turn you over to some music really soon. Especially today's project is rather simple. It's a short video and I don't think there's anything big that I need to explain to you, except maybe this piece over here. I took it off a kid's board book and I removed some of the slicky surface so that I could paint it more easily. So please follow along to see how this journal page will come together, and I will talk to you towards the end. So for last step, I am just distressing the letters a bit, and I named the page The Myth of the Good Old Days. I was lucky to find an image of that very famous old painting with those very rigid and stiff couple, and it definitely reminds me that I am happy to be alive today. So this was definitely simple, just a play on color and texture. I enjoyed the sewing. I think the effect fits very well with the theme and gives just the whole page more interest. I also like the second image of the hand that balances out the rather big focal point. There will be some photos coming up that will show the colors much better. Thank you so very much for watching. I hope you liked it. I see you soon again. Until then, bye bye for now.